Have you ever wondered how life and death became a cycle of hope in ancient Egypt? The story of Osiris reveals the power of love, betrayal, and resurrection. Osiris was the beloved king of Egypt, a wise and just ruler who brought civilization, farming, and law to his people. His heart was pure, and the land flourished under his reign. But not everyone admired him. His brother Set was jealous. Set craved power and darkness, and he plotted against Osiris. Set invited Osiris to a grand feast, but it was a trap. Using a beautifully crafted wooden chest, Set tricked Osiris and locked him inside. The chest was thrown into the Nile, and Osiris's body disappeared beneath the waters. The people mourned and chaos spread across Egypt. The world had lost its king. Osiris's wife, the goddess Isis, refused to give up. She searched tirelessly along the Nile, guided by magic and love. Finally, she found Osiris's body, hidden in a distant land. Using her powers, Isis restored Osiris to life, bringing him back as the ruler of the afterlife. Though he could no longer reign on earth, his spirit gave hope to all, showing that life could continue even after death. The story of Osiris teaches us that love, courage, and perseverance can overcome even the darkest betrayals. Even in death, hope and life endure. Every ending can give way to a new beginning. Subscribe to learn more about African stories every week and discover the legends, myths, and heroes that shaped African history.